time we have called for the unity of this region. A lot of people cannot sleep. You have seen screaming headlines saying that there are problems because simply we have called for unity. But I want to tell them that is not my decision. It is the decision of the Mount Kenya region that has instructed me instructions that I will follow to the letter, to do whatever is within my power and ability to reach out to everybody and unite the Mount Kenya region behind President William Ruto. That I'll do. I'm equal to the task and I've already started. Nimesema watu wetu wale walipotea hata ile Maoka Maure nitamtafuta. Ile mtu mfupi. Nimtafute. Hata huyu Peter Munya si mtoto wetu. Si ni mtoto wetu. It's no problem. Those who are willing to unite for this region. Peter Munya, I'll reach him out. Maoka Maule, I'll reach him out. The elections are over. There are no elections. Elections were fought and won and lost. President William Ruto is the president of Kenya. The other one is the leader of the opposition. So, who voted here or there is no longer important. What is important is the unity of purpose of this region so that we can support President William Ruto to a man because he means well for this region. And that we shall do. So the detractors of this region, the people who wishes this region bad, you can continue doing your analysis. You can continue writing headlines. Every day, that will not distract me and the leadership of this region to work towards the unity of purpose for the benefit of the people of this region. Mungetaka niendelee kuunganisha mlima? And I said the other time, when we came here with the president, mulikuwa mnalalamika sana. Mukasema sisi tunapiganga kura tukiwa watu ya mlima. Uchaguzi ukiisha, ile mlima inarudishwa pale, inakuwa ni west na east. Nikahakikishia nyinyi, mukipigia Rais William Ruto kura na mimi, hiyo mlima ya katikati hakuna tena. Na ndio tukaingia hapa katika Meru County, tukateua waziri Mithika Linturi. Tukaenda hapo Tharaka Nithi, tukateua Professor Kithure Kindiki ambaye anafanya kazi nzuri sana. Tukatoka hapo tukaenda Embu, tukachagua Justin Muturi. Tukarudi hapa Meru, tukachagua Japheth Kome kama Inspector General of Police. Tukarudi hapa Meru, tuko na PS wawili. Tukaenda hapo Tharaka, tuko na PS. Hapo Embu, tuko na PS. The Mount Kenya East, for the first time in the political history of this country, imeangaliwa vilivyo vile inatakikana. And I will not allow, under my leadership, a division in between Mount Kenya East and West. The mountain is one. Na hiyo mlima ni yetu, tunaipenda, tunaielewa. Na watu ya Mount Kenya wa East and West will be united in purpose as one.